In question number 39, the pie chart shows the proportion of the t-shirt sizes worn by the employees of a company. Small, medium, large, and extra large. Find the value of x. Okay, all angles are given and some angles are involving x as well. So for a part, this is simple. Just add these all values: x plus 10 plus 90 plus x plus 190. Okay, that will be equal to the total angle of the circle, that is 360. Just add them now. This is 100 and this will become 290. 2x plus 290 equal to 360. This 290 will go to the right side and answer will be 70 and x will be 35. Okay, now an employee is chosen at random from the company. Find the probability that the employee chosen wears a t-shirt of uh, size small. So probability of this is B part, first part, probability of small. So small is here, x over, so x is 35 and total angle is 360. Solve it just. 5 twos are, so 7 by 72 is the answer. Second part is medium. Probability of medium. So this will be equal to medium is 90 degree. Total angle is 360. 0 will be cancelled and 9 ones are 9 fours are, so 1 by 4 is the answer. And last part is large. Probability of large. So large is here, that is x plus 10, x is 35, so x plus 10, 45 will be total, and 360 is total outcome. Just solve it. 5 nines are, 5 sevens are, 5 twos are, and 3 threes are, 3 twos are, 3 fours are, and 3 ones are, 3 eights are, so 1 by 8 is the answer. Question number 40 statement is the diagram shows two circles of the radius x. Smaller radius is x and larger radius is 4x. A point is selected at random inside the larger circle. Find the probability that it lies inside the shaded region. Okay, so probability of shaded region will be equal to favorable outcomes. So favorable outcomes, so this area is the favorable, so that will be pi r square minus pi r square. Small r is the radius of the smaller circle and capital R is the radius of the capital circle, so this area will be favorable and total is pi r square. Now we will put values in this. Capital R is 4x, so it will become 16x square and pi will be it with it. Small r is x, so r square will be x square and pi will be with it, and pi, and capital R is 4x, so it will become 16x square pi. We will take common x square and pi from the numerator, that will be cancelled by the denominator. So in numerator we will have 16 minus 1 and in denominator there will be 16, because x square and pi will be taken from the numerator as a common, that will be cancelled by the denominator x square pi and remainder is this. So at this step 15 by 16 is the answer. Question number 43 statement is the diagram shows a square ABCD. So this is a square. P and Q are the midpoints of AD and AB. Okay, these are midpoints. A point is selected at random inside the square. Find the probability that it lies inside the triangle. Okay, so these are the midpoints. So suppose if this is x, this will be also x. If this is x, so this will be also x because these are the midpoints. So the requirement is inside the triangle. Okay, so probability of inside the triangle. Favorable outcome is this area. So area of the triangle formula is 1 by 2 into base into height. Both are x, and the total area of the square is definitely L square, and L length of the square is x square into x square, because L square is the area. Rather x square, no, this will be length is 2x and L square will be the area. Okay, now we will solve it. 1 by 2 x square will be in the numerator, and in denominator this will be equal to 4x square, and this will x square will be cancelled. So 1 by 2 is in the numerator, this 4 will go to the numerator, it will be 1 by 4, and 1 by 8 will be the answer. The diagram shows a dartboard. Each quadrilateral in the diagram is a square. Okay, a dart is thrown at random and hits a point on the board. Find the probability that it will land inside A, B, and C regions. Okay, so for the bigger square, x plus 2x plus 3x plus 4x plus 5x will be the dimensions. In the middle square, this is x, 2x, and 3x, and the smaller square is x by x. Okay, now the probability of a part, that is probability of a region. A is a square, so favorable outcome is x square, and the total area and total outcome is 25x square, because 5x into 5x will become 25x square. X square will be cancelled, so 1 by 25 is the answer. B part is region B, but be careful, region B will be here, that will exclude A. So region B will be 9x square minus x square. So this is region B, this is favorable, and total is 25x square. Solve it. This will become 8x square over 25x square. X square will be cancelled. 8 by 25 is the answer. Okay, C part. Region C. Probability of C. But again, be careful. This is C. We have to exclude full B portion from here. So 25x square minus 9x square. This is favorable. Over total is 25x square. Solve it. It will become 16x square. 25x square will be there. Cancel x square. So 16 by 25 is the answer. The statement of question number 47 is a box contain 120 red, green, and blue marbles. So these are total. The probability of drawing a red marble, a green marble from the box are this and this respectively. Find the number of the blue marbles. Okay, requirement is number of blue marbles, not probability. But we have first find the probability of blue marble. Then that can be find it out by subtracting the collective probabilities of green and red marbles from 1. So this will be 1 minus bracket start 1 by 5 plus 1 by 6, and solving it will become 30 will be the LCM. 5 6 are, so 6 6 5s are, so 5. 1 minus 1 by 30, and 30, 10, 20, 19 by 30 will be the probability of the blue, And now the number of the blue marbles. Number of blue marbles, that will become probability multiplied by total numbers. So 0 will be cancelled, 3 4s are 12, and now solve it. 4 9s are 36, 3 4 1s are 4, 76 marbles, blue marbles are there. Okay, B part is when X blue marbles are removed from the box, the probability of drawing a blue marble from the remaining marbles in the box becomes 7 by 18. Find the value of X. Okay, now when X blue marbles are removed from the box, in total we have 76 blue marbles, so remaining blue marbles will be 76 minus X, and total marbles remained in the box will be 120 minus X, so favorable over total. So this is the probability which will be equal to 7 by 18. This will be equal to 18 into 76 minus X and 7 into 120 minus X. So use the calculator now. 8 into 7, 18 into 76 will be equal to 1368 minus 18x will be equal to 7072s are 14 1 and 840 minus 7x. Okay, this will go to the right side and it will be equal to 11x, and 368 minus 1368 minus 840 will be equal to 528. And from here x will be equal to 48. Question number 49 statement is there are 32 purple crayons and 28 brown crayons in a box. After x purple crayons and x plus 2 brown crayons are removed from the box, the probability of selecting a brown crayon from the box becomes 3 by 7. Okay, find the value of x. So first we have to find out the remaining purple and brown. So the remaining purple will be 32 minus x, and remaining brown will be 28 minus x plus 2, which will be equal to 28 minus x minus 2 will be equal to 26 minus x. Okay, now the total crayons after removing some crayons from the box will be remaining total will be equal to 32 minus x plus 26 minus x, and this will be equal to 58 minus 2x. So this is the remaining total. This is remaining purple, this is remaining blue. Okay, the probability of selecting a brown crayon from the box becomes 3 by 7. Okay, now the probability of brown brown's favorable outcome is this 26 minus x, and total outcome is 58 minus 2x, and the probability will become 3 by 7. Just cross multiply the values. 7 into 26 minus x and 3 into 58 minus 2x. Multiply the values. 7 6 are 42, 7 2s are 14, and 18 minus 7x equal to 5 8s are 3 8s are 24, 2 15 and 17 minus 6x. Okay, this 7x will go to the right side. It will become now x, and this 174 will come here and will be equal to 8. Okay, this is the value of x. Statement of question number 50 is a bag contains 50 balls. In total, X of them are black and the rest are red. Okay, black is X and red is the rest, so it will be 50 minus X. When 6 more red balls are added to the bag, okay, new red, 6 more. So 6 more red balls are added. So this is red. So 50 minus X was previous and 6 more are added. So it will become 56 minus X. And new total will also be changed. That will be now 56 because 50 was the previous total and now 6 more reds are added. Okay, the probability of drawing a red ball from the bag becomes this. Now the probability of red, this is the favorable number, that is 56 minus X. This is the total number and the probability is now 5 by 7. Just cross multiply the values. 7 into 56 minus X, 5 into 56, 7 6 are 42, 7 5s are 35, and this will become 39 minus 7x is equal. Here 5 into 30, 5 into 56 will be 5 6 are 33, 5 5s are 25 and 28, so 280. This is going to right side and this will go to the left side, so 20 and 91, 12, and 7 will become to the denominator 112 over 7. Just solve it on the calculator. 112 divided by 7 will be equal to 16. So this is the answer. Number 51 statement is there are 30 students in a hall, X of them are girls. Okay, for A part, total 30, girls are X, definitely boys will be 30 minus X. Okay, write down in terms of X the probability that a student chosen at random from the group is a girl. So probability of a girl will be definitely favorable over total X by 30. Second part is a boy. So probability of a boy will be favorable, that is 30 minus X over total, that is 30. So this is A part. Okay, now B part. 8 more girls. So new girls for B part will be 8 more girls. So 8 plus X will be the girls now. And 14 more boys. So boys will be 30 minus X plus 14. So it will be now 44 minus X, and new total will also be changed because 8 plus 14, that will be equal to 22, plus 30, that will be equal to 52 now. So this is the total. Okay, the probability of choosing a girl from the hall becomes 3 by 13. So probability of the girl is now, girl is 8 plus X, total is now 52. The probability is becoming 3 by 13. So cross multiply the values. 13 into 8 plus X will be equal to 3 into 52. Okay, solve it now. 8 threes are 24, 2 and 10 plus 13x will be equal to 3 twos are 6, 3 fives are 15. So 13x is equal to 156 minus 104. So the answer will be 52. and 13x. 13x will go to the right side. X will be equal to 4. The statement of question number 59 is the table below shows the number of the potted plants each household has in a block of the apartments. Okay, here are number of the household and here are number of the potted plants. Okay, first we have to find the total number of the households. That will become by adding 32 plus 24 plus 8 plus 9 plus 6 plus 1. That will be equal to 80. Okay, this is the total household. Okay, now we can solve. A household is chosen at random from the apartment block. Find the probability that the household chosen has two potted plants. Okay, so probability, this is A part, two potted plants. Here is the number which is favorable, that is 8. Total is 80, so 1 by 10 is the answer. B part is more than 3 potted plants. More than 3. It means this number and this number will be favorable, so more than 3. 7 by 80 is the answer. C part is no potted plants. No potted plants means 0. So here is the number, that is no potted plants. So 32 by 80. Cancel it. 2 ones are 2 6 are 2 fours are 0 4 fours are, and 4 tens are 2 twos are 2 fives are. So 2 by 5 is the answer. D part is one potted plant or less. Probability of 1 or less. So 1 or less, so these two numbers are favorable, so it will become 56 over 80. Cancel it now. 4 ones are 4 fours are 4 twos are 0, 2 sevens are 2 tens are, so 7 by 10 is the answer. Last part is more than 5 potted plants. So there are maximum 5 plants, so more than 5 potted plants, it means answer will be 0. More than 5 potted plants, so answer is 0 by 80 equal to 0. Okay, statement of question number 60 is a dice roll 200 times. So it means frequency will be equal to 200. This is total. And the results are recorded in the table below. Find the probability of a 2 or 4. Give your answer in decimal. Okay. So A part is here, and further first part is so probability of 2. So 2's favorable number is 10 over 200. So 1 by 20, 1 by 20 will be equal to 0.05. This is first part's answer. Second part is probability of a 4. So 4's favorable numbers are 58. Total are 200. So we will solve it on the calculator. 58 over 200 will be equal to 0.29. Okay. Is the die biased? Yes, it seems biased because the probability of coming 2 is very less than the probability of coming 4, because if it is a fair die, not too much difference should be there. So it seems a biased die. Question number 61, the table shows the masses in kg of a group of 60 students. So it means this will be equal to 60. Okay, a student is chosen at random from the group. Group find the probability that the student chosen weighs over 50. So A's part is over 50. So over 50 will, these two numbers will be favorables. 4 plus 2 6 and total is 60. After cancellation 1 by 10 will be the answer. B part is more than 45 but less than or equal to 55. So more than 45 and less than or equal to 55. So these two numbers will be favorable. So 36 plus 4, 40 over 60. 0 will be cancelled. 2 2s are 2 3s are. So 2 by 3 is the answer. And last part, C part is not more than 60. So these are equal to or less than 60. All numbers will be favorable. So not more than 60. Not more than 60 mean equal to or less than 60. All these numbers will be favorable. So 60 is favorable and 60 is total. So answer will be 1.